Horse.
Horse. Sa lahat, ito po ay question po about sa ating birthday celebrant. For our first question, who does she first go to when she has a problem? Grabe naman.
Ate niya.
Ate na is correct! Eh, one point pa lang yan, sobrang sayo mo na. Okay? What is her biggest pet peeve about people? Pinaka-pet peeve niya. Okay, dito tayo kay BFF.
Maingay kumain.
Maingay kumalas! Correct! Okay lang. Oh, what is Nishka's favorite color? Okay, kay Carmela. Pink is wrong! Dahil parang hindi ka kaibigan, dito tayo kay Sam.
Black, red.
Black and red is correct. Actually, tatlo yun. Red, black, and yellow. Next, 1 point pa. What is the theme of her guest's attire? Dito tayo.
Curtail.
No?
Basta yung ano.
Letter C. Letter C. Wow! Ang ano tayo pa rin nagsisimula sa letter C. Ano yung kanta siya? Ano bago na? Okay. Letter C. At nagtatapos sa siren. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 letters. Attire. Tawag sa attire na yun. Ano? Camela?
Chic.
Chick is correct! How tall is Nishka? How tall is Nishka?
4'11".
4'10"? 4'11" or 4'10" is wrong. Okay, Sam. 5 flat is correct. 5 flat na siya. Actually, guys, 4'11" pala ang alam nila. Kaso, nung nagsukat sila, neto kailan lang, napatang naman niyang 5 flat pala siya. Okay. So, yun na yung tingin ako siya. Mali mo, make your best friend. Yes. Nakita, okay? Okay, ilang points na si Ate Sam? 2 points na sa Ate Sam. Isa na lang, ha? Okay. For our next question. Name her 2 cats.
Psyche and Ragnar.
Psyche and Ragnar? Correct! Okay, mga Inday, next question na tayo. What is Nishka's favorite dessert? Oh, go!
Donut.
Donut, kaginawaan, you're wrong.
Ice cream.
Ice cream is correct! Wow! Ngayon, ito, pabilisan lang at alam ko, alam niyo. What is Nishka's dream job? Okay, dito tayo. Correct! What is Nishka's Chinese zodiac sign? Year of the
Horse.
horse. Wrong. Okay, next. Sino?
Capricorn.
Ha? Capricorn? Meron pa tayo yung Capricorn ngayon, din. Oh, next. Oh, ikaw, Angela. Sino pa? Goat. Wrong. Next. Wrong. Mr. Wrong din.
Dog.
Gusto wala na lahat ng animals. Next.
Ox.
Ox is wrong.
Rabbit.
Rabbit, malapit na. Oh!
Rat.
Rat is correct! We have a winner! Congratulations, Sam! Sana ako. Kaya si Carmela, isipin mo kung kaibigan mo ka ba talaga, ha? Dahil nagkamali siya kagad sa favorite color mo. Inisip mo na din. Thank you so much, girls! Palakpakan naman natin, Sam! Congratulations, Sam!